Hook. One person versus corporations. Here is the brutal truth. Most people using AI today are completely missing the point. They use it as a glorified search engine or to generate funny images. Meanwhile, a select few are building million-dollar businesses entirely on their own. Today, one person with the right stack of AI tools can replace a team of 20. No exaggeration. In this video, I'll show you the 15 best AI tools to turn you into a one-person business machine. Let's get into it. The problem. Why most people will never make money with AI. Let's be honest. Why aren't you rich yet, even though AI is everywhere? Because everyone thinks AI magically prints money. Spoiler alert, it won't. The tool itself doesn't make you money, the system does. Traditional startups spend thousands on designers, developers, and copywriters before their first sale. Today, that model is dead. Hiring crowds for tasks software can do in seconds is just burning cash. Let's look at the exact tools to keep 100% of the profits. Part 1. The core stack, your foundation. 1. ChatGPT, the central brain. Feed it customer pain points, and it generates a killer sales strategy and business concept. 2. Claude, the copywriter. Writes in a natural, human voice. Use it to write high-converting landing pages and emails that sell. 3. Perplexity AI, the researcher. No more spending hours Googling. It instantly spies on competitors and spots market gaps in seconds. 4. Gamma app, the designer. Type in a topic, and Gamma builds a polished pitch deck or landing page in 5 minutes. 5. Notion AI, the manager. Cleans up messy notes, structures tasks, and builds streamlined action plans to sell as templates. Part 2. Automation, your robotic employees. 6. Make.com, the connector. Automates repetitive workflows between apps, like capturing leads and sending custom emails instantly. 7. Zapier AI, the integrator. Lets you build automated systems and app integrations using simple, everyday English. 8. N8N, the scaler. A powerful, free, self-hosted platform to build advanced, highly complex AI agents. 9. 11 Labs. The Voice. Clones your voice perfectly to narrate audiobooks, run faceless channels, or produce audio ads. 10. Midjourney, the artist. Replaces stock photos to generate premium logos, branding, and graphics. Part 3. Scaling, the heavy hitters. 11. HeyGen, the actor. Creates photorealistic AI avatars speaking in your voice, allowing you to scale video content globally. 12. Cursor, the coder. A next-gen editor that lets you write complex software and extensions using plain English. 13. Lovable.dev, the builder. Describe the app you want, like a CRM, and it builds a functional web app with databases. 14. Bolt.new. The deployer. Type a prompt, and you get a live, working full-stack app directly in your browser. 15. Replit Agent, the developer. An autonomous AI agent that codes, debugs, and deploys your web tools on a live domain. How to connect these tools into a real business, workflows. To turn this into a business that prints cash, you connect them. For content, ChatGPT finds viral ideas, Claude writes the script, 11 Labs voices it, HeyGen generates the video, and Make.com auto-posts it. For sales, a lead signs up, Make.com triggers an AI agent, Gamma Auto builds a custom pitch deck, and an AI assistant drafts and sends the email. You only step in to collect the payment. This is a 24/7 business machine with zero overhead. The catch and conclusion: AI is a multiplier. If you scale a bad idea, you just scale failure. Don't use all 15 tools. Master 3 to 5 that solve your biggest bottleneck right now. We are living in an unprecedented era where a single laptop can compete with massive corporations. Start today. Call to action, CTA. Which tool are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. If this was useful, hit like and subscribe. See you there.